Hello, hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to explain about a script activity inside Magic ETL in Domo. So first, let's go to the data. Click on ETL. Um, we have in the scripting we have two. One is Python, one is R. So in my video, I am going to explain about Python script. Okay, so we need to take input. So in a Domo ETL, we can use either Python script or R script, but it's based on which programming language we know or we are comfortable with. So I'm comfortable with Python, so I'm going to use a Python. And one more thing, everything that we can do using this text, date, and number, utility, transformation, filter, combine, aggregate, pivot, same thing we can do using Python script. Okay, so if someone is good in Python or more comfortable with Python, they can go with Python script. So instead of using a interface, they can write their own script. And Python or R script provides more flexibility. So if we know the programming language, we may have a more complex we may apply a more complex transformation using a script, or we can apply some any kind of logic that we can do using a Python script here. But using this user interface transformation, we cannot do everything. Okay, so now in the input, I need to choose some data sets. So I am going to select this one. So I will do one basics transformation using Python script. Choose data set. Something is wrong. 1 minute. Already selected. Okay, now come to the Python script. So we can see already imported the package. Now in input one, read data frame input data set. So this is my input data sets. Okay. Now write data frame input two. So in the right data frame, whatever data frame I will put, that will be the output of this Python script activity. So I'm going to perform one very basics transformation. First, let me see the data. In the data, I have product, invent, category, cost. Okay. So come here. I'm going to apply filter. Now, input 2 is equal to input 1, input 1, cost, input 1 in cost greater than equal to 4. Okay, so let's close this. And I just applied a filter where cost greater than equal to 4, and in the output, instead of input 1, we need to put input 2. Now let's run preview. So same way we can apply filter here also, but I am doing using a script activity. So all the things that we can do using user interface, we can do using a script activity. It is giving some error. No input for name input data set. 1 minute. Okay, sorry. Yeah. And apart from this, it provide more flexibility. Like if we are very good in coding, then we can do many things. Data name input data sets. So 1 minute. Read data frame input data sets. INPUT input 1, input 2, post no, cannot no input for name input data set. Oh, 1 minute. Hold on. Let's add here. Just a minute. Let me rerun again. This is now we can say it succeeded. So I was taking a wrong input name. So I had to put this input dataset name here. Now we can see we applied filter where cost greater than equal to 4, and then this final output data frame I am writing in right data frame. So now simply either I can use this activity for the input of another transformation, or directly I can set this value for output. So script filter. So this is a way to use a script activity. So in my example, I used a very basic Python script activity, just applied a filter. So we can do all the things, like we can make a join, we can apply any predefined Python function and then send the data as a output. We can apply group by, everything that we do in a Python we can do here. So basically we need to learn a pandas data frame, that will be helpful here. Thank you. Hold on. Let me save and run. We will see the final output. Yeah, so we can see input is 12.4 k row, but output 7.3 k row, because we applied a filter where cost greater than equal to 4. Thank you.